The American Heart Association has just released major updates to its nutrition guidelines, steering Americans toward a more plant-based approach. These new guidelines emphasize core changes to what we eat, focusing on a sustainable and heart-healthy pattern. Heart experts are urging dietary shifts to reduce cardiovascular risk across the nation. The AHA is promoting a diet that is both beneficial for your heart and sustainable long-term. The new guidance centers around key shifts in food group consumption, especially protein and dairy. The foundation of a heart-healthy diet, according to the AHA, remains a strong emphasis on vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. A major component is prioritizing plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and nuts in your daily meals. The AHA is explicit about how Americans should select their protein and dairy products to minimize heart risk. They urge consumers to favor plant proteins over red and processed meats, which have been linked to higher heart disease risk. For dairy, the guidance explicitly recommends replacing full-fat options with low or non-fat versions. This means swapping high-fat items like butter and full-fat cheeses for low-fat alternatives. Beyond what to eat, the AHA is also clear about what we should be reducing in our diets. The new guidelines advise aggressively cutting back on both added sugar and excessive salt intake. Additionally, the AHA recommends reducing the consumption of ultra-processed foods, which often contain high levels of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. It is important to note that these guidelines stand in contrast to some previous high-profile dietary advice. Specifically, the AHA's guidance contrasts with the recent Trump administration dietary advice, which had encouraged greater consumption of full-fat dairy and other animal proteins. This highlights the ongoing debate and evolving understanding of optimal nutrition for heart health among experts. Ultimately, the AHA encourages all Americans to adopt this plant-forward, low-fat dairy approach for a healthier heart.